In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Wix premium plan and get a full refund. This process is straightforward, but it's important to ensure each step is completed accurately to avoid any complications. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to your Wix account dashboard. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Wix homepage. Once you're there, log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the Wix dashboard. This is your command center where you manage all aspects of your Wix sites and subscriptions. Next up, let's initiate the cancellation process. On the Wix dashboard, you'll see a search bar. Simply type the word cancel into this search bar. This should guide you directly to the resources related to canceling services on Wix. Upon searching, you'll notice an option that says Premium Subscriptions. Click on it. This will take you to a page displaying all your active subscriptions. Here you can view the details of your current premium plan. Now you'll see your premium plan listed with a small menu icon, often represented by 3 dots, next to it. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Cancel Plan. Don't worry, this action won't immediately cancel your plan, but will guide you through the next steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. After selecting Cancel Plan, a prompt will appear. Click on Cancel Now to proceed, so that you're taken to a page asking for a reason for your cancellation. This is a standard procedure that companies follow to understand their customers better and possibly improve their services. Choose the reason that best fits your situation. There's no wrong choice here, it's entirely up to you. Once you've chosen your reason, confirm your decision by clicking Cancel Now again. At this point, you're almost done. Wix will provide you with final details about your cancellation, including information on the refund process. They typically assure customers that refunds will be processed within 20 days. This timing allows Wix to ensure everything is finalized and your money is returned securely. Make sure to check your email for a confirmation of the cancellation and keep an eye out for further correspondence from Wix. The email will confirm the status of your refund and any next steps if necessary. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully canceled your Wix premium plan and requested a refund. Remember, if you encounter any issues during this process, Wix's customer service is available to help. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.